This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a poll on Twitter. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitter. To create a poll on Twitter, it's very easy to do. I am on the Home tab and I'm going to go over, like I'm going to create a new post in the What's Happening area. I'm going to click on the little icon at the bottom that looks like a chart. If I put my mouse cursor over it, it will say poll. I'm going to click on that. Then at the very top, ask a question. I'm going to click in that area. I'm going to type my question. Then I'm going to go down to the box below it that says choice 1. I'm going to create my first choice. I'm going to go down to choice 2. I'm going to click inside that box, create my second choice. Then off to the side of that choice 2 box, you'll see a little plus icon. I'm going to click on that to make a third choice. You can make up to 4 choices. I'm going to make a third choice here. Then I'm going to click the plus icon again. Make a fourth choice. Then down below that, you'll see it says poll length. You can create it for up to 7 days. I'm going to click on 7. You could also, I'm going to go back to 0. You could make it just for hours or just for minutes. But I'm going to make it for 7 days. And then all you need to do is click on tweet. And there is my poll right there. Gives you 4 different choices. It's up for another 6 days. If I want to choose blue, I'll click on blue. That is how you create a poll in Twitter. Thanks for watching.